Hello, I am Krista with LakeAir. This video today we are going to talk about the LakeAir Maxum HEPA Purifier. Now, the Maxum HEPA is one of the most powerful tabletop units there is out there on the market. It delivers 600 Cfm of clean air for your home or office. Now, what makes this filter special is that it uses a true HEPA filter that's able to remove 99.9% impurities in the air. The HEPA filter will last you about a year. Also included in this unit is an M super carbon filter. Now, the super carbon filter is made of virgin coconut shell carbon, which is excellent at removing the odors and the musty smell and things like that. This unit also has a variable speed adjustment. It could run from 150 CFM on low at 42 decibels, or it could run on turbo and give you 600 CFMs at 62 decibels. At 600 CFM, it can actually rotate the air 4 times an hour for a 1,100 square foot house. This unit is 17 by 15 by 13. It is wrapped in an 18 gauge steel body and it weighs 24 pounds. The Maxum costs between $6 and $18 a month depending on the speed variable that you choose and how often that you operate it. All of our products are made right here in the USA, right in wonderful Racine, Wisconsin. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please remember our motto, LakeAir, clean air everywhere.